I'm going to show you some of the features being used in Oracle R12.2.4. There are some of the new features which Oracle has introduced in this release. So let me log in as myself. My username is Rahul Fadak, same as my name. I go in, right? Cool. So as you see on the top, this is something new, which is called a universal global header. That's a new Oracle standard. So that this top header is going to be same across all the Fusion applications and all the Oracle frameworks which are going to come and all the OOF pages. On the left side, on the right side, I'm sorry, if you can see, nice little bell which shows me all the notifications. So if I have any notifications, I would see those right here on my login page, which is very cool. Then the second here is like the settings, where I can manage my preferences. All right, so I go and click there. I can change all my preferences to whatever I want. I can change my password. I can change my start page. So basically, I think I can change my email style. So it's pretty neat. So you can manage your preferences right here. All right. The second thing I want to show is manage favorites. This is one of my favorite of this release. So as you see on my front page, I don't see any links for any responsibilities or anything. I just see some small apps which are the functions which I use in my day-to-day operations. So as you see, this sales orders, order organizer, customer items, custom item cross references, these have become like small apps where I can directly click and it takes me to the corresponding Oracle function of entering sales orders. So this is pretty useful. So if I need not worry about all the responsibilities I need, I can just if I have like procurement, work in process, order management responsibilities, I can just select important functions which I use and keep them as my favorites on my home page. By that, I can access them directly. The way to manage those favorites is I can go here and add to favorites, or I can go here and edit the favorites, right? I go here, let's say I want to add some more to my favorite. Let me go and let's say receivables manager. Let's say I'm responsible for receiving also, and let's say I want to watch invoices and manage invoices. So I go and click on add to favorites and click on apply. Voila, I would see the invoices and invoice summary as two new apps which I can directly click, which would open my invoicing forms. The third thing, it's like a navigator. So this is like the navigator where you can scroll up and down directly like this. This takes you to the last page, and then this, if you click here, you can just, instead of going here, there are two new buttons for scrolling up and down. So that's my navigator, and then here you can manage your preferences on the navigator. You can personalize this navigator, and let's say I click go, and I select to click and select to hide these two responsibilities. I'm able to hide those responsibilities. So even though I have them, I don't use them, I can hide my responsibilities. So let me go right into the application. So it's opening the sales order form as I told you, and on the left you can see you can put your own custom announcements. This is like an organization setup. I go here, boom, it took me right into my sales order form. The other thing I wanted to show you is a rich table. So let me query one of the customers. So let's say Amazon. Go. It pulls up this. So you see on this table itself, there are columns here, which is registry ID and then DUNS number, and I can manage what I want to see. Okay, on this, if I click on this button, it can sort in that order. So I can do various things on this. If it was a transactional data, what it does is, apart from the sort, it provides like a minus, small minus sign. See, I clicked it, it sorted. But it provides a minus sign where you can hide or show columns directly. All right. So that's one of the new feature you can see with this new rich tables. So basically, you can sort and hide and unhide the columns right on this page using the application. So let me go back to my Navigator, and I can change responsibility. As I told you, I can change responsibilities here, right here. As I click hover over one responsibility, it takes me to the sub menu and the associated sub menus. So having said that, this was like a very short presentation on some of the new features Oracle release 12.2.4 has introduced. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for